Instagram has introduced a new app which goes by the name called IGTV. So with the help of this application, you can upload video more than 1 minute all the way up to 1 hour. So in today's video, I'm gonna give you my thoughts about it. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. YouTube is one of the best platforms for uploading videos, and many features like monetization has attracted lot of content creators. Instagram is giving tough competition to other social platforms like Snapchat and Twitter, but now they're gonna give competition for YouTube by the help of this application called IGTV. So it's free, available on both App Store and your Play Store. So once you download it, you can upload video from 1 minute all the way up to 1 hour. And on IGTV, videos are supported on vertical format, that is 9:16. We are used to see videos on horizontal format, that is 16:9. So I think IGTV wants to get this app mobile friendly, so they are promoting vertical setup. You can find some basic stuff like, comment and share. These are the same thing which is found on YouTube. But when you compare IGTV on whole with YouTube, I think IGTV is still under development. It needs some changes, whereas YouTube is much more advanced when compared to it. Now I want to talk about the flaw which is found on IGTV. So you can like a video, that's it, you can't dislike the video, whereas on YouTube you can like and dislike the video. As a creator, if you have only the like option, you don't know how many people like your work and how many people don't. The next flaw is related to the search feature present on IGTV. So when you search a term, let's say tech, you won't be getting content related to tech. Instead, you'll be getting channels with the name tech. Whereas on YouTube, if you search some term, you'll be getting videos related to that term and not channels. And I think this should be introduced on IGTV as soon as possible, because people, if they're gonna search for music, they will be getting channels with the name music but not the content related to it. We are used to view videos in a horizontal way, and IGTV's introduced this vertical setup, and it will take a little while to get used to it. As of now, there is no quality settings on IGTV, so you can't select the quality of the video, whereas on YouTube you can do that. And I think this should be implemented on IGTV as soon as possible. So these are the flaws which are found on this platform. Now let's move on to the next factor, that is how to shoot and upload your videos. So if you're using a smartphone, you just need to keep your phone in a vertical format and tap on the record button. Say you're using a DSLR, you need to mount a DSLR on a tripod in such a way that you will get a vertical way. Then you need to tap on the plus mark, and you just need to give a title and a description to the video. So if you want to change the thumbnail, you just need to tap on edit cover. This is a new application. It does have few flaws, and it does not have lot of content creators. You can take this to your advantage and you can start creating videos on it. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, do smash on the like button and subscribe and tap on the bell mark. Until then, it's me signing off. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget, peace out.